So this is the back of my Q5 with the bumper removed, and this is the factory aluminum bumper, or bumper support, bumper reinforcement, whatever you want to call it. But this is the aftermarket hitch that was installed whenever I purchased the Q5, and it's my least favorite style hitch. They hang it on these brackets up here. And then it goes to that weird S and bends. And then on the bottom here, they just bolted on that flimsy belly pan on the bottom. So that's, sure it does what it's supposed to do, but I do not prefer that hitch. I prefer this style hitch. And with this one, you remove this aluminum and then slide this one in with the fitted rails and everything. So you can see how much more substantial it is if you got an idea of any kind of mechanical type things. You can understand that the force is applied in a lot better areas and whatnot. And I've already tested this boxed out frame, and that's the stiffest part of the chassis. So if you want to put it anywhere, you want to put it in the legitimate boxed out frame spots. So it's super late, and I'm just trying to get this done before the snowstorm, because I want to put this winch on here and help some people out. But it wouldn't even fit. It wouldn't even clear the bumper. But not only that, look, see how it's the lowest thing? It's even lower than the tailpipes. That's no go. That means that I'm losing ground clearance. All of that right there is lost ground clearance. So we're gonna see where this ultimately ends up, but it's gonna be higher than that. Hopefully I'm gonna be higher than the tailpipes. All right, let's get after it. You gotta get inside here to get two 10 millimeters on either side. Then there's two 10 millimeters straight back once you pop this cover off. And now I'm gonna be looking at getting these side trim pieces off. So I gotta flip these up, get these T30s out, take those side pieces off, and then there's I believe 16 millimeter bolts going down through this piece right here, and then this whole bumper support slides is completely out. But I don't know, I think I might have to remove the battery and stuff to actually retrieve the bolts underneath there, because this other hitch, which if I wanted to, I could actually probably install both hitches and they would, but I just, now that I'm looking at it, I can't stand to use that ground clearance. I have to clear that area up. They could make and break me. So you see that extremely lightweight rear bumper just slides right out of the box frame. And now I need to unbolt this unsightly thing. Look at how embarrassing this is. These tabs right here go in this flimsy sheet metal right here, where they just popped out this rubber cap. This flimsy sheet metal ain't gonna support nothing. And then the other support was, I guess there was two 13 millimeters under here for this support for the muffler bracket. But oh, and there was those two bolts that were out here. These were a U-hook through here, but this whole thing is just a little tack welded in plate all the way around here, just a little flimsy sheet metal bracket. It's nothing like the big frame rail, boxed in frame rail support. So I'm really glad that I took that thing off. Still hangs a little bit low, but it's higher than the other hitch. The only problem per se with this hitch is you have to trim the bumper a little bit, but it's really no big deal. You just have to trim it up so it fits around that hitch. The other one does not require trimming, but it's definitely worth it to get the more stout hitch. Trimming the bumper's not a big deal, trust me. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. There's a Jeep Wrangler that's stuck here, and I just hooked up to it with the old Q5, and I gotta wait for this traffic to clear. I got it hooked up with my tow strap right now, and as soon as this traffic clears up both ways, I'm gonna pull it out on the main road. But it's not clearing up anytime soon. Alright, I'm about to go. Now I gotta hurry up and over. Forward. All right. Yep. So somebody took this park right here, this basketball park, for a little yard job, and it wasn't me. As you can see, my front end is still perfectly intact, but I think I might have saw something over here. I think I might have saw something over here. Maybe some evidence of some happenings. There's some footprints out here. Looks like something might have hit that tree, but yeah, some tire tracks. Some tire tracks definitely came through here, and it hit that tree. I'm trying to see if this crime scene right here will tell me the story. We have a piece of a grill. Oh man, look, there's a whole air box. Ecotech air box. This was like a like a Chevy Cruze or something. And the bumper. Oh yeah, we had some fun out here. Looks like they got stuck and did some burnouts or something. Oh, no way. They didn't hit this pole. Did they hit this pole? I'm pretty sure they probably did. I think they hit the pole. What do I have over here? It looks like something that came out on the inside of the car. And then what else do we have? Oh my goodness. It's like a whole step side. Man, we might have had some like demolition derby out here in the old basketball park. I'm pretty sure we hit the tree and the basketball post. And when I say we, I mean someone else, because it wasn't me, because my car is still perfectly intact.